Kenhun jeng kipaj ba kaba kentup nadu kirang ba kisamla hapo kasunjuk kinongnya kali kamai ka Ribhoy District langba ka Joint Action Committee jong ka All Ribhoy Passengers Vehicles kala lektur sa Office of Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoy District kajing lektur jong kini kipaj ba siya kani ka office kadai bandawana ka sorkar halor kajing pensa teng jong ka bansiu no ya kabay kali bakila pendon kam nadu kisnam bawan lengshop ka klam covid khat khandai bat kum juru hak election jit nong mikmat syakiyeng dorbar tawan ke jela kata house nem arjar arpulai habai kran kinong elam jong ke JEC All Ribhoy Passengers Vehicle kala kendo bahadin kijing yakendo bat Deputy Commissioner na kaliang jong uniu DC ulai dau da kabanyat penban skibor bahalor bakim pat pelaj bisa setia Hagani ke jing lektur jongki kalami iru katmak den ke bajur abdeng kinong elam jong ka kenhun kinong nyak kali ka kenhun kinong di dukan sya bat Deputy Commissioner Ribhoy kabalane hadu katu kenepo hadin katai na kaleng kinong elam jong baro artli ki kenhun habakran chikalat pthai ki bor ki laong bayamanta kin persange eswai ke jing ki bat kin apsitom hapo ka khatsan sngi ba ladak sorkar kam siudap ya baro ki jing lod jing sep kumbaki dai banyo balada kimla ban siwi ke pisa hapo katai kesngi balabu kinsa simpat da kawai kerai kabakam teng
Sidang mit ni penbiang dah kali masuk ni ai masuk dia makir kita benglek enggak kamera benglek umi kalau saya isi dan kam maki ke penjara umi saya isi bengi
Still they're clear. Even the by-election already paid. Why? What about the Ribhoy? Why work for the Ribhoy? That we want to know. No, we won't accept that what you said, sir. Because we have come to you also. I have come personally for the COVID bill, for the election bill. But you didn't give us the clear answer. You said 1 week, and then you after that, then you said 10 days, then 1 month. We won't accept that. So we'll say when we'll receive the money, then when we'll have, then we'll talk. We'll have to talk. Now we will talk about it. Long time you should have talked.
I'm
No, sir. No, we won't accept that, sir.
But
we
I
have.
cannot give any timeline.
See, sir, this is. What is this? This is life. This is our life. We earn money from here. We eat from here. We provide for the house, for the family with this money, and you are doing us like we are.
It's not as if I am not paying your bills.
So, sir, as
We won't accept that. You'll say that we'll have the meeting.
election
No, we won't
bill is
accept that,
already
sir.
sanctioned before the election only from the central government issue regarding our bills. Since this last time also we have submitted a letter memorandum to you. We have given you 7 days of time, but it's now more than 7 days, 3 weeks. But still now there is no response from your good officer. So it's like us any problems. And then we want from you that you give us a clarification, the reason for delaying our bills. So from your side, we want a clear clarification in front of the media person, in front of all our members. So this is our demand. Then why the CEO is still silent and then he is not taking any initiative, sir?
No, sir. CEO,
If we take initiative, this thing won't happen, sir, today. We don't want to come and to gather here. We
CEO, sir,
also
is taking up this issue. Today, like I told you, he's having a meeting today also. Right now, I think today is
today you have a meeting, sir, because we have come here, we have gathered here.
Today
So that's why you have a meeting.
Why you don't talk about that then?
How many times?
But I assure you, the payments will be cleared.
Because
I can give you exact list. I have, but for something which is to be done by so many people in Shillong, how can I?
Dia kalian jom kinong yo bukan mo kantin hakani ka election idon ko bakat arti eki kantin kibangi ai pendiang kabam gadi nagbantagi ba don di election dan rega basusi long bahado mata ngidang yo ina persatang sanpo ajar au na January rehadu mentangi klebyo ilawan bani kedu la arsin laisin ilawan lang tangi la ai ka jing toru au na April saya DC hang taru ong ini aipor arteo tinggal ap denri kamlok kam kataru tinggal lawan biang kilan ai biang gajing tho sakui bet show CEO show DC bat kunju sabaro di MLA jong kani oi takin pen keren lem da bentai jong ina mar papun mengi kinong bukan ni sa beram mo kinong aeroson ki ba aido yang ni ki ba ai kijung don kam jong ki ba dapat bangin siu ka bay nong 3 unju te Henry kata kejing ai cumi kata kopi so si orang tu tentang tip yo kupor ye kalau puno ka yai puno dia kata tena kalian cumi kata kadau kata kasih ngitip kawan ke JC tena kalian cumi tu pergi dong bukan tin dia wan ban ya support lah kita bentar balik tengah
no ini tak bisa video ini
kata bisa te ngintip kalau lala kejong hidukan no idon hidukan kiba koi santo tam don hidukan kiba koi arto lai ko don kiba koi dikiko don koi dikat kita lala kejong mu
jadi lang pun ka por bag ai lang na JC ni pi don la kajong kata time frame
tengi la kali me di city ong ba ai por kan sni tengi hap ya kata kan sni ya kata kan sni kata kam siso tengi ban seba banyi tengi na join lang bakan ni JC bangin perpal di sini ki kata hindawai kita kok
Minta kasih tak jing Sofia ke bajur nak kalian ke Joint Action Committee All Riboy Passengers Vehicle minta kasih ngila sange ya kamai kaji baru ikali ke jungi ngila yawan ban penpau ya kedak yang ke jing Sofia ke jungi angne pelau jong audisi ke jingwan ke jungi bangipap ya kamai kaji kalong halor ke jing bomyo ya ke bil ke jungi kata nadu ke bil COVID-19 kumjuru ke bil jong election MLA badang sudaction ke na kapor na kaliang ke JAC nilayawan ban ya kendu ya audisi ban pan ne bandawa ya ke hok ke bangi dei ban yo dan rei na kaliang audisi usu aipor panpor si panpor bu aipor bu tanggi jingkular dan rei haduk ini kisngi ngimyo ya kata ke bil ke badangsa dei halor kane da ka jing susi bata jing Sofia mentah kasngi selesai disin nilawan lengba ka jing sange kali kamai jungi baro banwan ni kendu ban yakran ya audisi namar kepor ke bau ai kalakut mentah kasngi nilayo ban yakran bat audisi ba kadau ayu ba penslam ya ka pisah ke badangsa bat balai klem burom ya kepor ke ba ngila ai na kaliang audisi ulayatu yangi ba kapisa kamsyong tang kabor ka jongu namar kapisa wahab ban perlaj bu CEO nate na po slong ngila keliru yu ya kadau mano ban bak kli ane mano po penslam ya kata kapisa mereka jubab ke bang yo na u kalong ba kadai na CEO na kaliang audisi ulay keren bat CEO bat chief secretary ban yatai alor kane ka benta ka bangi ki driver ngi kendu kendau la dep yakren bat CEO bat chief secretary ong ba un sapen light no kloi kat bala ya ka pisah ka badangsa dan kaliang ka jungi ngila dawa ya u bangi muhun ya ka por ka ba lane kata ka jingi yakren ka ba ai henrei dei ban ai ngi ka por ka batikna ba hadu kat no sngi kan simpor ya kata ka pisah ban penlai dei halor ka jing bamun ka jungi ane ka jing yai dawa ka jungi na kaliang audisi ulai por biang menta kasngi nadu kane kasngi adu khatsan sngi ba on penlai lot ya ka pisah kata ka pisah ka bil COVID-19 kunjuru ka bil jongu election snap arajar apply ya na kaliang ka jungi nila menjur ya kata ka por ka bau ai khatsan sngi bat ngin ap sitom kumbang yai ap baru si kata ngin ap sitom sa khatsan sngi bat niru na kaliang ka jungi ngila krensai balada hapo khatsan sngi samenta ka kenti umperlai ka gamut ka JAC kan sasim da ka sinjam ka bakham teng e bat ngin pena da kilat jing yaki ki bakham teng e bat ngila kren lu ada ngin ya ka jing yaki ka bateng e ka jing bakli hapsim hi ka district administration na kaliang ka jungi ngin amsim ka jing bakli dan rai ka district administration ka hap bansim ka jing bakli
mbak kan try kali angkat dua besar
we try kali ka syong kat kum ka duty kumba men hakiner ngila det yatu don ki kali ki bangat lai tayo don ki kali ki bangat si benai don ki kali ki bangat si lai sngi don ki basa lai po wajar don ki basa san po wajar don ki basa da kilang namar kabil ka bisa ba khambun ka dei jong COVID-19 namar kabil hang tu da kilak ngisa ka kata ka ba bu yang ngi pedang ka jing e namar kum ki babu i kali kamai ngi haban renew ya ki kwat kislagi jongi tengi kermen ba lata yo kabil manakane ban renew andre kabil ngim yo ngila susim da karam kasya namban penim i kwat kisla kali ka jongi endang ilayo ekabil ngin sasiu pat na kita gi beriu ki bangi simram dan rei ka jing penslam banyo ekabil kabu jing yangi ngila cha daj ram na kita gi beriu ki bala ai psa yangi kata kata ke jing ka bangi
For the election with the government, the central provide. Where's that money then? You answer me that.
No, ma'am, it does not happen like this.
What not happen? Like you answer me that, sir.
I'm telling you, ma'am, it's not like this. Money.
Is the government, the central government, long time sanction for the way. Without the sanction, there will be no election also. There will be no election. Then where's that money? We want that answer. We want that answer. And why other district got the money when we don't get? We want that
No, other
answer.
districts are also having pending bills.
No, they don't have pending bill. I know everything.
They have.
I inquire everything. So we came to know everything.
And if you inquire everything, please inquire why Ribhoi is also not getting the
No,
bill.
what is your duty? Your duty is here, sir, for
I
what?
do not have any funds to give you, ma'am.
You don't have any fund. Where's the fund? Where's the fund?
I do not have the funds to give
You
you.
don't have. Where's the fund with the government provide? That's we want to know, sir.
Sir,
all the vehicles which goes for the police duty, police already cleared.
yeah, that is from the
The
police.
police department.
Police department.
The police department is very fast, very speed in the work.
Yeah.
So why? Which departments delay?
No, police have cleared the bills, I know. But you do one minute, no, like, can give me 1 or 2 days, let me have a meeting with CEO sir personally. And then I'll update you what happens.
Excuse me, sir. My friend, I came here on behalf of the canteen. Because all this, our friend is talking about vehicle bill. What about our canteen bill, sir?
And canteen bills we
Yes, sir.
discuss.
We already given the written also
Yes,
to
ma'am.
the CEO also.
Yes, ma'am. We are,
We didn't get the
Yes, ma'am, we
answer
are
now.
looking into the bills, we are investigating it, we are checking the bills. It's a separate issue. Let's not talk about that here.
Empat kali ulang. Kau cukup slide style adon lupa. Pertama adalah abad titi. Dekat pin the field permit. Kalau tak fine, kalau tak.
Kisngi si mau cak.
Abang ini nak action ada file lembaga polis ini
Di nong yang itu tiap tim main kesil pun di lebar ini. Kamar beli Cerman kali. Tapi pertama ini itu. Iya yu, tengi kunung ini ke juga ke. Ke duty bat ke sakar mendai ba penderkam personal ini.
Kam lên cũng như bà nhà bên la trong cái brio nhiều tăng lại jar chưa bên này cắt bom dia ya ka why duty ngila siya on
State government means till
Why
now,
do
till
the
date.
district got?
For Rivoi district, the funds which were allocated have been completely utilized. State election department, the CEO office, whatever funds they had, they've already utilized during elections. So we do not have any funds. That is why we have to go for additional sanction of funds. Once we get the additional sanction of funds only, then we will receive the payment, then we will give you payment. As of now, the district is not having any payments, any amount, any fund to clear.
Then why the other
We
district they
understood
got?
that, but from this last
No, boleh give me
past
district
months,
yo.
so many times we come and talk.
Even for the by-election
from
they
the
got.
office didn't take a very straight initiative.
No, I know. We have had several meetings regarding this earlier also. Come to me 2-3 times. I have assured you. Today, right now, also I have discussed with CEO sir. I was having a call with him, and he has assured me that today only they are having a meeting regarding the budget. There are 2-3 other districts
No, sir, now
also
we
which are
wanna-
facing the similar issue.
Yes, yes, sir. Our driver was one.
The memorandum from your side, and we have had a meeting earlier also 2-3 times regarding this thing. And to all your members also, I would like to tell you that you have raised up this issue a lot of times, and every time I have told you that we'll try to clear your payments and all. So I'll tell you, this issue has happened because see, the funds which we received, they were not sufficient enough, and we have asked for additional funds from the CEO office also. Like I've told you earlier also, it's a long drawn process. It will take some time because the file has to go to the finance for allocation, for budget, and allotment will happen, and funds will come. So just now also I had a discussion with CEO sir, and CEO sir has assured me that all those people who are there in the process of getting the additional funds, so they are taking it up very expeditiously, and I give you my assurance as per the discussion with the CEO sir that your payments will be cleared very soon, and whoever is there in the all the stakeholders who are there in the line of command, so So they are all aware of that issue. There are several other districts also who are facing similar kind of issues. So the CEO office is taking it up. As and when we will receive the funds, payments will be cleared expeditiously in the first moments.
So, sir, can